Babushka, Slovenian girl abroad. Today my boys and I drove to Rigi, more precisely to Rigi Seebodenalp, where we hiked the circular trail. Because it was really foggy in Luzern, we decided to go up to the mountains, where the weather forecast showed there is sun. Seebodenalp, which is at 1000 meters and offers some really nice hiking paths all above the fog. Sea of fog, and we're above it. Little guy lost his horsey. Alright, little horsey. Behind me is Rigi Kulm. If you want to take a look how the hiking there looked like, then check out my other video. I'm gonna put the link down below and somewhere here.